Hello friends, subscribe my channel UPSC Preparation. Click bell icon to get latest update. To make a video on GK quiz. That's why I make a video. So let's start it with our first question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? That everyone know who is the first woman Prime Minister of India is Indira Gandhi. Next question. Who was the first woman Chief Minister in India? Who is that woman? That is Sucheta Kriplani. Next question. Which is the largest state in India? That everyone know which is the largest state of our in India. That is Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state in India? कौन सी smallest state हमारी इंडिया की? That is Goa. Question number 5th. Who is the first citizen of India? Who is that? That is President. Next question. Who is the second citizen of India? First हमारा president है, second हमारा कौन है? That is vice president. That everyone know. Next question. Who is the third citizen of India? First president, second vice president, and third citizen of India is prime minister. Next question. When the Indian peoples celebrate Independence Day, कब celebrate करते हैं Independence Day Indian के people? That is on 15 August. Next question. When we celebrate our Indian Republic Day, हम अपना Republic Day कब celebrate करते हैं? That is 26 January. Next question. What is the total number of characters in the Hindi alphabet? That is 52. Next question. Who is the composer of the Indian national song? ये तो सभी को पता है कि इसका composer कौन है Indian national song का. That is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. How many spokes in the national flag of India? That is very easy question. Easiest question. That is 24 spokes. Next question. What is the national song of India? That everyone know what is the national song of India is Bande Mataram. What is the national flower of India? That everyone know what is the national flower of India. That is lotus. Who is the first female Chief Justice of India? कौन थी हमारी first female Chief Justice हमारी इंडिया की? That is Fatima Bibi. Next question. How many months in every single year? That is 12 months. How many days in every single week? That is very easiest question. How many days? That is 7 days. How many Indian states have the Hindi language? कितनी states है जिसमें हिंदी language है? That is 10. In which language is used most in Maharashtra? कौन सी ऐसी language है जो सबसे ज़्यादा महाराष्ट्र में यूज़ की जाती है? That is Marathi. Which of the following is a Hindi script? कौन सी है इसमें से हिंदी script? That is Devanagari. Next question. What is the name of the longest river on the earth? That is Nile. Next question. What is the name of the fastest animal on the land? कौन है fastest? That is cheetah. Next question. What is the main source of energy for the earth? क्या है सबसे ज़्यादा main source of energy for earth? That is sun. Which continent has not a single volcano? कौन सा ऐसा continent है जहाँ पे एक बार भी volcano नहीं हुआ है? That is Australia. What is the smallest ocean in the world? सबसे smallest ocean, सबसे छोटा ocean कौन सा है हमारे world में? That is Arctic Ocean. Next question. Who is the highest mountain in India? कौन सा highest mountain in India? That is Kangchunga. Which is the largest lake in India? कौन सी lake है सबसे ज़्यादा हमारे इंडिया में? That is Wular Lake. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? किसने किया था Red Fort दिल्ली में build? That is Shahjahan. USA. What is the currency of it? USA की currency कौन सी है? That is dollar. USA की currency dollar है. When we celebrate the Indian Navy Day, कब हम celebrate करते हैं अपना Indian Navy Day? that is 4 December. When we celebrate the Indian Post Day हम कब celebrate करते हैं? That is on 9th October. Who composed the Indian national anthem? किसने कंपोज किया था हमारा इंडियन नेशनल एंथम? That is रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर. Who was the first female IPS officer in India? That is also a very important question. That is Kiran Bedi. Where is the Buller Lake situated in India? Buller Lake कहाँ पे situate हुई है इंडिया में? That is Jammu and Kashmir. Who is the first Indian field marshal? कौन है? That is Jamshedji Mankeshwar. What is the height of the 3 wooden stumps in India? That is cricket. Sorry. That is 28 inches. क्या है? 3 wooden stump in cricket की height है. Which type of lens is used in the camera? कौन से टाइप की लेंस यूज होती है कैमरा में? दैट इज कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. व्हाट इज कनाडा नेशनल स्पोर्ट? कनाडा की नेशनल स्पोर्ट कौन सी है? दैट इज आइस हॉकी. जसपाल राणा इज रिलेटेड टू विच गेम? दैट इज शूटिंग. शूटिंग में जसपाल राणा इज रिलेटेड टू गेम. विच इज इंडियाज हाइएस्ट स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड? इंडिया में सबसे हाइएस्ट स्पोर्ट्स अवार्ड कहाँ पे है? दैट इज राजीव गांधी खेल रत्न अवार्ड. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ लैंड. लैंड की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? दैट इज लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ ईवीएम. ईवीएम की फुल फॉर्म क्या है? दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ डीटीपी. क्या डीटीपी की फुल फॉर्म? दैट इज डेस्कटॉप पब्लिशिंग. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ मॉडेम इज मॉड्यूलेटर डीमॉड्यूलेटर. फुल फॉर्म ऑफ आरडीएक्स इज रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट एक्सप्लोजिव. Full form of WWW, that is World Wide Web. Hindi Day is celebrated on 14th September. Bihu is one of the most popular dance of which Indian state? That is Assam. Yahoo, Google and MSN is क्या है ये सब? दैट इज इंटरनेट साइट्स है ये तीनों. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन एक्यूरेसी इन कंप्यूटर डाटा इज कॉल्ड क्या बोलते हैं? दैट इज बग. IBM is the complete form of International Business Machine. CAD means Computer Aided Design. What is the longest river in India? कौन सी है longest river हमारे इंडिया की? That is Ganga River. What is the use of CD characters in a computer dictionary? That is compact disc. 1 kilobyte is equivalent to 124 bytes. What is the length of a word in a computer? That is bit. What is the purpose of the assembler? That is converting assembly language into machine language. Who was the first woman Lok Sabha Speaker of India? That is Meera Kumar. Where is the Pushkar Lake situated in India? कहाँ situated हुई है पुष्कर लेक हमारी इंडिया की? That is in Rajasthan. How long does the earth rotate in a circle? That is also important question. That how many times long a day? That is 365.25 days. If you are new in my channel, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you are new in my channel, please press the subscribe button and click on bell icon to get all the notification of my channel. Please subscribe my channel.